Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Piyasi, and in today's video I'm going to share all my makeup and skincare empties, and these are the products which I love using and I'm definitely going to buy again. So I have a couple of products here, so without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Guys, the first product I have here with me is from the brand Kaya, and this is the brightening night cream. This is something which I've been using for a very long time now. If you are following me on my Instagram, then you will know that I bought this particular cream. Actually, I got this in the PR package and then I started using it. I loved the results and I actually asked my mom also to use it, and she's currently using it. It's her third bottle, you guys. This particular cream, the night cream, works wonders if you have like dark spots. It's mentioned that visible results in 7 days. Yes, you will definitely see results. This is a very nice night cream. This also has a lot of good ingredients, and this is for all skin types, so you can any skin type can use it, but this is the best cream for all you guys who have dark spots. Try this cream and you will love it. This is again my second bottle, which is like emptied right now, and I'm definitely going to buy another one just for the backup. And the second product is from my favorite brand, Dot & Key, and you know how much I love this brand. This is actually my third bottle which is emptied, and I'll show you the fourth one, which is again going to be empty very soon. So I use this a lot. In fact, every night I use this. Earlier I used to apply a Kaya's night cream, and since the time I'm using Dot & Key, I have just not got over it. This is a fab serum. This is something which you can apply. You can just tap a little bit on your skin, and this definitely works on the glowing part and makes your skin healthy. Basically, this serum is really good because it has hyaluronic acid, which acts really well on acne prone skin. So this one is, I would recommend this to all skin types. This is paraben free, all the non-toxic elements, and this is our Desi Indian brand, guys. Support this, buy Dot & Key products, you will love it. And talking about Dot & Key, I have another product from Dot & Key which I recently started using. I got this in the sale that was going on from Dot & Key's website, and this is the SPF mousse. This is a SPF 50 mousse. So whenever I apply this, I look a little tanned, but it really doesn't matter right now because I'm not stepping out. But I'm going to try the other shades if they are available. I have not yet tried, but this it's mentioned already over here. If you see, tint of color, so it does give a tint of color. As I said, whenever I apply this, I feel a little tanned kind of a look. So if you like that look, then go for it. And this has SPF 50, which is like more than amazing for any skin type. And also this is for all skin types. So again, Dot & Key products are for all skin types. You guys can use it without a doubt. Hands down, best brand ever. The next product is from the brand Muji, and Muji is a Japanese brand, and I got it from the store, but I think it's now available on Ajio. I'll link all the product links below in the description box, so you can go directly check them out. So this is the moisturizing milk. Again, Muji skincare is a very natural skincare. This is a premium Japanese brand, so I kind of used it for a couple of times and I really like the results. It definitely makes your skin a little clearer. But if you have like severe acne, don't think that any of these moisturizers will help you or reduce acne. You have to eat good, or probably consult a doctor if you have severe acne. Another brand which I really like these days, I know I'm trying a lot of products and I've been loving few of the brands. So this one is again our Desi brand. This is the Neem Lean Naturals brand, and this is the hyaluronic and oat amino acid. This I have recently finished. You can see a lot of white thing here, but that is just the residue. Inside there is no product. So I have recently finished this and I have been using this continuously for 3 weeks. So just a tip, any moisturizer, any cream for that matter, if you want the results, you have to use it for more than 3 weeks. Only then you will come to know that if the product, if the cream moisturizer is working on your skin or not. So this one I used it daily for 3 weeks, and This is super hydrating, you guys. And the reason I got this particular product is, you can see here, it's non-comedogenic product. And whenever you visit a dermat, when you have some kind of acne or kind of a hormonal acne, basically they will ask you to use products, makeup or skincare, which is non-comedogenic product. So this helps control oil production, which will in the end give you a acne. So it controls that. So that's the reason I got this, and it really helps. It suits your skin, it keeps your skin hydrated, and I really love the product. So yeah, I have another moisturizer, you guys. You won't believe, I have been trying so many moisturizers, and it doesn't really matter if you have acne. It doesn't mean that you'll not try anything. It's okay. Only when you try products, you know that what suits your skin better. And try products, always try products after seeing the ingredients. Don't buy something with parabens if you have acne skin or something like that. Please don't go with parabens and toxic elements, basically. So go for natural organic products. You will not face any issues. So I got this one, Estee Lauder, and this is their day wear. This is the antioxidant 72-hour hydration sorbet cream, and this, you can see, I have used it completely. This is over, and I have to buy another one because again, I have tried it, the entire box. This is definitely hydrating. So if you ask me, will I buy this again? It is definitely very expensive. This retails for somewhere around 2,700 or 800, so it is expensive. So but the product, I think I used this particular bottle for straight 2 months. Yes, 2 months. You don't need too much. This goes for a long way. When I say 2 months, it definitely goes for 2 months. This is all you need for your entire skin, you guys. Yeah, the product goes a long way for 2,700, and it's super hydrating, and I really love the formula. And being Estee Lauder, it's definitely worth the money. But then absolutely your choice. If you are preferring something an affordable moisturizer, I'll always ask you to go for some Dot & Key products, or for Garnier Wrinkle Lift. That is my favorite. Guys, coming to the next one, this is the Bioderma Sensibio. I don't know which number of bottle is this that I have emptied. I think 100 probably, because I only use this for makeup remover and for people who have acne or some kind of irritation on your skin. Please go for Bioderma Sensibio only, because this is the best makeup remover you will ever have for your acne skin. This, I don't need to speak much on this. I think everybody knows how good Bioderma is. So this is my favorite empty. So the next products I have is from the brand Aveda, and you can see the shampoo and conditioner which I got recently, and this is the Nutriplenish shampoo and the conditioner. Let me tell you, the shampoo and the conditioner is just superb. I mean, it works like you have washed your hair in the salon, you have treated your hair with the best ever product. So this is a fab product, but it's super expensive. Like this bottle, this much, which I think used it for 5 times max, and this retails for 950 rupees or something like that. So I don't think it makes really sense for me to spend so much for so little. So that's the reason I cannot really afford it every single 3 weeks. So that's the reason I love this product. Again, this is a fab product. If you have like super tensed hair and frizzy and I don't know, a lot of problems, I think you go for it. It's really worth it. But if you really have a like subtle hair, natural hair, and you don't have a lot of problems, I don't think you should spend so much. Another Estee Lauder product I have here is the eye cream. This is the eye cream which I got with the Estee Lauder PR package, and I started using it, and I've almost emptied it. It's almost empty. So this is an eye cream, and it's super hydrating. Again, it's a very rich formula itself. There's nothing left basically, but the product is very rich. So when you apply this on your under eye, it really helps hydrate your under eye, and especially because the skin is very sensitive down here, so you need to treat it like at least twice a week. So I pamper my under eye with this particular cream, which is very rich, and I really love it. Again, it's super expensive, and but this product, like this small product, goes for like 3 to 4 months easily, and it comes for 2,500 or something. I'll link it below, so go check it out. Now coming to some of the makeup products, my ride and die product is LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's something which I don't know how many times I bought it. This is probably the 15th time, 16th time I got it. This is again over. I need to buy another one. So I really like LA Girl Pro for both contour and for concealer. So these comes in like 7 to 8 shades I believe, and all of them are really good. The formula is great, it doesn't irritate your skin, and it works great as a concealer. I think everybody knows that. So yeah, second empty in my makeup is my mascara, and this is from Maybelline Temptation Mascara. When I got this, I really didn't know how it will work, but then this is a favorite daily wear mascara. The only problem I have with mascaras is it's too tough to remove it at the end of the day. When you are super tired and your mascara is not coming out, you get super irritated, right? This one is a fab mascara. It gives you volume, it gives you length, and also it removes super easily with the micellar water. So that's the reason this is my favorite, and I have bought it twice, and this is the second empty, and I'm going to buy it for the third time. So I really love it. If you want, check the description box. Another concealer which I really love, and it's almost empty, I'm going to buy another one, is the Maybelline Fit Me Range Concealer. This again, I paired it up with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. The reason I love this concealer is because this shade, which is 20 Sand, matches my skin tone exactly the same, you know. That's the reason I love this product, and I use it quite often, so this is my favorite. It's my favorite liner, you guys. This is a Lakme eyeliner, and I think I have been using this since my 12th grade, and if I would have kept a count of which number buy this is, probably I would have crossed 1,000, because this comes for only 100 rupees, guys. I think 100 or somewhere in 100 150, and this kind of goes for like 1 month, 2 months if you use regularly. And that too, you know, this is my go-to liner. I don't want any liners in my world. This is the only liner, and I love it. I buy it again and again. So this is emptied, I need to buy another. So the last product which I have is a eyelash brand, and this is already, I don't know where the eyelashes are because I've used and abused. This is from the brand Rene, and Rene is such a super brand for the eyelashes. They have really good variety of lashes. They come with a eyelash holder and, you know, the gum, everything. I love this brand for eyelash. It's super nice. It doesn't hurt your eye, or it does not damage your natural eyelash for that matter. This retails for rupees, 810, but this is something which I bought long back, so I don't know the recent price, so I'll link it below. You can go check it out yourself. This is a superb eyelash, guys. I mean, I just kept this box to show you guys that I love this eyelash. So that is it, you guys. Those were my favorite empties. I would love to buy again, and if you like the video, then please like, comment and share, and please ask your friends to follow me as well. And you can follow me on my Instagram channel right here. And thank you so much for watching. You have a good day.